Well, state police in Vermont and New York have released their crash reports between yesterday and today. In New York, state troopers responded to 33 crashes in our region, reporting 4 non-life-threatening injuries. In Vermont, state police responded to 67 crashes with 6 people injured.
Travel obviously has been slowed down by this amount of snow. Some people who are flying are still waiting to catch a flight home. NBC5's James Maloney is live for us at Burlington International Airport tonight, following up on almost every mode of transportation. James.
Well, Brian and Liz, since the storm is tapering off, we decided to come inside to just show you some of the impacts of the flights right now. Just take a look behind me. As you can see on the board just before our live shot, there was 2 cancellations on the departures. Now that's up to 3. And we're seeing a good chunk of that list in the red. And it's kind of a similar story as we look over to the arrivals, with 3 of those flights being canceled. But I spoke to people today who have been impacted by these travel delays, and they're braving the weather.
It's definitely treacherous out there.
The piling snow making for a difficult travel day.
Yeah, I'm just trying to make sure I have, gas in my car and blankets, gloves, just in case.
The car's moving slow in Chittenden County. At Union Station, the 1 train scheduled to arrive was canceled. And at the Burlington International Airport, plows were seen getting as much snow off the runway as possible. Multiple departures and arrivals delayed or canceled, leaving some stuck waiting for the weather to clear.
The people are very kind.
Are you thinking about moving here yourself, baby?
Never, ever.
Okay.
Nancy Hazelton and her husband can't get a flight until Tuesday, traveling to the Green Mountains from Oklahoma. She's keeping spirits up despite the circumstances.
We moved a dear friend here. She's 88 years old, and we moved her here through this weather. And it was beautiful the whole way.
Back out on the roads, slow and steady wins the race, or the commute rather, and VTrans is consistently pounding the pavement.
The trucks are out and just keeping the roads plowed. We have, between the winds and the snow blowing around and the heavy snowfall amounts, we're just having the trucks out and maintain the snowfall.
And just another tip from VTrans: when driving, make sure you leave enough space in between cars, and also make sure you leave enough space for the plow if you see it on the roadway. Live in South Burlington, James Maloney, NBC5 News.